Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of trying to build a game set for completely free in 50 hours. Yesterday we got some incredible stuff for free, but now we only have 29 hours left to complete this challenge. And the first thing I want to do is go over to my parents' house, because over there's a whole new land of opportunity to get free stuff. I'll explain that to you later, but it takes an hour to get there, so we need to move like right now.
Now, whilst I'm driving over to my parents' house, here's a little recap of the rules and what happened in yesterday's video. So the rules are pretty simple. I can't spend any of my own money. I've only got this amount of fuel left for free travel. And finally, the setup must be able to run OG Fortnite at least 30 frames a second. Now, yesterday we managed to get ourselves a desk and a chair off Facebook Marketplace. Oh, and I also used my brand wildcard to get some charging leads and cables from Ugreen. But now that you're all caught up and I've arrived at my parents' house, let's carry on with the challenge.
So now that we're in a new area, we can look at the Facebook Marketplace results for this area. And I won't lie, there's not a lot around here. It's a laptop that says it's free, but then they go, oh yeah, I actually want that £800. Why did you list it for free? Just say you want £800 for it. However, if you remember yesterday, we saw like a headset, mouse, keyboard bundle on Facebook Marketplace for like £35, but on Amazon, it was like 34. Wow, if we get this, I realize it covers a lot of the things that we would need. It is £34.91, and in terms of money,
we have no money.
So basically today, I've got to try and make £34.91. So give me 10 minutes and I'm going to call 5 different people and see if they want me to wash their car.
So I started making phone calls to a few people to ask them one question.
Could I wash your car for like £15? £15 still of a lifetime, Josh. So from the 5 people I called, 3 of them said that I could clean their car. My nan said she'd give me £15. My girlfriend's brother said that he would give me £10. And my sister, who also said she would give me £10. That gives us £35. If we do all them cars, we've got ourselves £35 to get ourselves a headset, a mouse mat, and a keyboard. So let's go clean these cars.
Wow, look at that scrubbing action right there. But whilst I'm cleaning these cars, I want to tell you about something that you can add to your own gaming setup for completely free as well. This is Opera, and they're kindly sponsoring this video so that I can eat tonight. You see, what's funny is I actually installed Opera last month after shooting this video because my friend Adam referred it to me, and oh my god, it's just so much better than Chrome. It has so many features that just make it like the best browser. I'm talking built-in essential apps, way better design and customization options like this lovely motion Pokemon background that I have gone with. And my personal favorite feature is a built-in VPN and ad blocker that just makes browsing so much faster and safer. I mean, to be honest, I'm still finding new things in this browser. Like just a couple of days ago, I realized there's an AI app called Aria that's basically like ChatGPT, and you can ask it anything, like, I don't know, how to make a free gaming setup, and it will tell you. I'm extremely happy that I get to push this because I was literally using it like a month ago. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you do that after this video. But anyways, let's get back to the video.
That's one car completed. We go on to the next one now. Luckily, Emily's brother doesn't live too far, so we shouldn't use too much petrol. We're on like 25% of fuel left now, so you don't want to be too crazy with it. Nearly here. There it is. Whoa. You're making sure I do a good job. This is a dual hand job. Look at that. Nice and clean. No one. DJ's at a nightclub. Is that funny or is that not funny? No? Okay. That is another one done.
Now, whilst I was waiting for payment from my girlfriend's brother, I told him about the challenge that I was doing, and he actually went out of his way to give me a few small items to add to the setup.
So, because of the challenge that we're doing, Emily's brother also gave us a cable extension, a desk fan, and a iPhone lead. So, you know, it's not much, but it's appreciated. Every little bit helps to making this setup a little bit better.
Now, to get that last £10, I went to clean my sister's car, and now we had £35 to spend on Amazon.
So, we've cleaned a few cars. Currently have £35 in the bank right now, so I'm gonna order that stuff on Amazon to come tomorrow. Hopefully it arrives before the 50 hours. If it doesn't, it's not too much of an issue. I've still managed to buy it within the 50 hours. But one thing that is on my mind currently is that, like, I could have bought stuff way cheaper. I could have put that £35 to way better use if I bought all the stuff off like a dodgy site like Temu or Wish. I could have got like a keyboard for like £2. However, the whole point of this challenge was that I'm supposed to do it in 50 hours, so we need that next day delivery. But yeah, now we've got to get our hands on a monitor.
Now, you might be wondering how I'm going to get my hands on a monitor. Well, I did have a look on Facebook Marketplace, and even though I did find some for free, they were over 100 miles away, which we don't really have enough fuel to get to. So I had to come up with a different plan.
Hello,
What do you want?
You know how I gave you that amazing setup that's right behind you right now?
Oh, this one?
Yeah, you know that amazing setup that I gave you? I was going to ask, do you have any spare monitors? But I know you have spare monitors.
I do, yes I do. Why?
Oh, I'm making a free gaming setup again. I need a monitor. So I'm wondering, can I have one of yours? You know, since I gave you an entire gaming setup.
You did. But I was going to sell them. How about, I almost won a new PC in your video. I almost won a new PC.
Yeah, you did.
So how about you come here, play me at Smash Bros, and if you win, I'll give you a monitor. If you don't win,
let's do it. I'm gonna come. Can I come now?
Yeah,
I'm coming now. Okay, currently going over to Adam's house because we're gonna go play some Smash Bros. There's a monitor on the line. So I made my way over to Adam's house. Here we go. I'm here for the monitor.
come on in. Okay, right, Dan, this is the setup, okay? I have this lovely chair, and I'm going to use my lovely GameCube controller.
Is this my chair?
Yep, you're going to set the amp. I need every advantage I'm going to get.
You're making me sit. He's making me sit on an amp.
And you get the lovely Switch controllers that have mad Joy-Con drift as well.
Oh, brilliant.
They've got the biggest Joy-Con drift.
This one isn't working.
You can get one Joy-Con.
Oh my God. So just for clarification, I am sitting with a handle up my arse right now. I've got a single Joy-Con. He's got a Pro controller and the nice chair that I got him.
As we selected our characters, I would discover one of the things that would be annoying me the entire match.
Oh my God, there is Joy-Con drift. Did you just see it drift? I just saw it go to select another character.
It's literally the worst controller.
Oh, okay, let's do it.
Now at the start of the match it was pretty even. We were landing a few hits on each other, dealing similar amounts of damage. And I even managed to get Adam up to 160% before I took his first life. But then...
You just jumped off the edge.
No, it was Joy-Con drift. Did you see that? I was literally celebrating and the Joy-Con drift walked me off the edge. That is not fair.
The game was now on. I had to work my hardest if I was going to win this monitor. Oh, and Adam's killed me again.
I gotta keep adjusting because this handle is in my bum cheeks at all times.
Thankfully, I was able to get Adam down to his last life as well.
Oh my God, you're on 160. Why is the game like this? I gotta be careful now. Don't Joy-Con drift off the edge.
It was now all level. It all came down to this. And I won't lie, for the last part of the match, Adam was absolutely destroying me. He was landing hit after hit after hit.
Oh, no.
I was on 137 damage. If Adam landed one hit on me, I was done and the game was over. But I wasn't ready to quit.
No, come on, please.
Come on.
I managed to get Adam up to a similar amount of damage, and it seemed like whoever would get the next hit was gonna win the game.
Ridiculously close now.
Yes! Oh my God, I was so close to losing that. Oh my God.
I could have sold my monitor.
Oh my God. How about you give me that monitor right this instant? Yeah, look at that. We've got a monitor. Look at this.
I only give you the best.
I did give you that.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Very good. Very good. I like that. Okay, keep the hat. I got the monitor.
Feeling lucky, I saw one of Adam's knockoff Xbox controllers and challenged him to a game of rock, paper, scissors for it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Works every time.
And just like that, I'd got my hands on a monitor and a dodgy Xbox controller. Now the last thing we needed was a console, and I knew just where to get one. You see, my sister's had an old Xbox One for about 10 years, and she doesn't use it anymore. And considering I completely renovated her setup as well, I thought that she'd give it me for free. But no, apparently to get it I have to take her to the train station at 5 in the morning. I'm never making anyone's setup again, man. Everyone's ungrateful. I had a quick look on Facebook Marketplace to see if anyone would give away one for free, but the cheapest ones I could find were like £20 to £30, and I don't really have enough time to make some more money. So I went to bed and woke up at 5 AM.
Let's get out. So it is currently 5 AM in the morning. Now I've got to take my sister to the train station. Just telling the people I've got to take you to bloody train station at 5 AM in the morning because you won't give me that Xbox. And the thumbs job. Nice.
Anyways, I made the long drive over to the train station.
Can I have the Xbox now?
Okay. Bye down.
I'm getting teary. Good news is though, we have now got an Xbox.
A very, very old and damaged Xbox, but still an Xbox. But the challenge wasn't over yet. I still had to make it home on the remaining fuel I had left, and I still had to build the setup. Now, even though my fuel warning light came on, I managed to make it back home.
Look what's outside my door. I think I know what this is. We've got the keyboard. Doesn't sound terrible. You know, I appreciate the fact that it's got, you know, color coordinated keys. Plus we also get a mouse. I mean, it clicks, it's a mouse, it does what it does. Got a mouse in that. Put that on there. And obviously, we got a headset as well. I won't lie, it doesn't feel amazing. This is probably worth about £2. I know what you're thinking, right? Dan, you've only got an Xbox as a console. How the hell are you going to use this keyboard and mouse? Well, you can actually use a keyboard and mouse on an Xbox. You just have to hook them up via USB and they work. So let's add the console, the monitor. Let's connect everything up. Okay, let's turn this on. Oh my God, it has RGB as well. Look at that. I didn't think I'd be able to get that. I thought it'd be like an extra £1 to get that feature. Oh, it's on. It's on! Okay, we're connecting to the internet. I've managed to do that. I think the internet should just work as a normal internet. Like I can use it as a... Yeah, look, I can just use this as like a normal web browser. I can go onto YouTube. Oh my God, look at this!
Did you ever used to build yourself a fort when you were a kid to play games?
Hey! We've established that the internet works pretty much the same as a normal computer. Oh, we're running at like 40 to 60. That's really good. 50 hours ago, we had nothing, but now I'm dropping into Salty Springs. It just goes to show you don't need to keep asking me in the comments for a free gaming setup. I haven't got that much money. Oh wait, I'm about to get killed. I'm like, yeah, let's go. I'm gonna try and wipe out Salty Springs. Yeah, I'm not a keyboard and mouse player. I prefer controllers. But yeah, other than that, challenge completed. I've had a lot of fun doing this challenge and building this setup. Obviously, I don't really need this setup, so if anyone wants it, you can have it. But as I said before, I actually attempted this challenge in 10 days. And if you want to see what setup I managed to build in that time, you can click this video here. It is a pretty good one.